Let's take a look at some different problem-solving strategies. Math is all about problem solving. People get hung up on the numbers. We're just using the numbers as a way to solve different problems. So we need to make sure that we're able to solve all kinds of problems. And everyone's least favorite problem is a train problem, so we're going to start there. Let's say that we have two trains and they're traveling in opposite directions. So we have an eastbound train and a westbound train. The eastbound train is traveling at 70 miles an hour. The westbound train is a little bit slower, traveling at 65 miles an hour. And what we're asked to find is how far apart these trains are at 2 hours. So here's what I know. I know that the eastbound train is going to travel for 2 hours at 70 miles an hour. So 2 hours at 70 miles an hour. I know the westbound train is going to travel for the same 2 hours at 65 miles an hour. So in order for me to find out how far apart they are, I'm going to have to add those two distances together to find the total distance. So I have this basic statement right here. I have 2 times 65 plus 2 times 70 equals D. So we've basically written an equation. So let's figure out the distance. 2 times 65 is 130. 2 times 70 is 140. So when I add those together, I'll have the distance. 130 plus 140 is 270. So we have a distance of 270 miles. So after 2 hours, the trains will be 270 miles away from each other. Very math teacher approach, I know, write an equation. So let's look at some other ways that we could solve some problems, not using an equation. Let's say that in your PE class, you're at the very end of your badminton tournament. There's 5 teams left. Okay, so we have 5 teams. And what we would like to figure out is how many games there are left. So how many games are left? Because we would like to find the winner for this badminton tournament. So I have 5 teams. I'm actually going to use symbols for the teams. So here's team number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's my 5 teams. So these 2 teams are going to play together for game 1. These 2 teams will play together for game 2. And this team hasn't played yet, so we'll leave their little symbol intact. Now, the winner of game 2 is going to play the heart team, so that would be game 3. And game 1, that winner's just going to be on ice for a minute, so we'll put another 1 right there. Then finally, the winner of game 1 and game 3 will play each other for game 4. So you can see that for these 5 teams to participate in a single elimination tournament, we would have to play 4 games to find the winner. So there are 4 games left in the tournament. All right, let's look at one more problem solving. And this one we'll use kind of a different type of a diagram. Let's say that you were babysitting and the people you were babysitting for left 3 shirts and 2 pair of pants for the toddler that you're babysitting. And you're just curious, don't know why, but you're curious and want to find out how many outfits that would actually make. Okay? So we have 3 shirts. Sorry, not an artist, but you'll get the idea. So shirt 1, 2, 3, and 2 pair of pants. So pants 1 and 2. Okay, we need to figure out how many possible outfits there are. So for shirt number 1, you could pair them with pants 1 and pants 2. So shirt 1 and pant 1 would be one outfit. Shirt 1 and pant 2 would be another outfit. Okay, then if we're looking at shirt 2, we could pair it with pants 1 or pants 2. So shirt 2 and pants 1 are an outfit. Shirt 2 and pants 2 are an outfit. Down to the last shirt, we could match it up with pant 1 or pant 2. So shirt 3 and pant 1 are an outfit. Shirt 3 and pant 2 are an outfit. So in the end, we have, I'm going to do this like a little table here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outfits. So there's 6 possible outfits if you have 3 shirts and 2 pair of pants. All of these are different ways to approach problems that maybe you don't know exactly where to start. You can just start reasoning through. Take a few minutes on today's assignment and see if you can find a lot of different strategies to solve these problems, not just the 3 that we've talked about just now.